It's time for a new paint job, and in this video I will paint this S-Works tarmac like Peter Sagan's S-Works with the holographic paint job on. Maybe you've seen it in the thumbnail, and it's not as difficult as it sounds. I have to strip this frame to bare carbon fiber. I have to add a transparent primer, the holographic paint job. Hey buddy, stay straight. And also a clear coat and a flat clear coat, the white logos, and that's all. So let's dive into this paint job and let's start to paint the frame.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay, now, from the beginning.
I have to sand and prepare the frame, and that takes a while. And if you need more information about preparation and stripping of carbon frames, check the preparation videos in the corner. The first job on this carbon frame will be a transparent carbon filler, so the carbon fiber stays visible and we get a transparent raw carbon effect. I have to shake the can and then I can start to mix the filler. Next step, mixing the harder. And I'm ready to load the spray gun and have some fun in the paint booth. Let's check the frame. What we have is a clear primed frame with areas of visible carbon fiber, also with black areas. On the connection point of the seat tube and the seat staves, we have gray glued areas, also on the connection point of the top tube and the seat tube. And later on in the painting process, we will fade out these areas with transparent black. We have these black areas because we need a black base coat for the holographic effect, so there was no need to remove this black color. And we have, of course, the raw carbon fiber effect for the areas with the visible carbon fiber. The next step will be to sand the primer and to prepare the primer for the holographic color, to mask the frame, to mix the holographic color, and then we can change to the paint booth to apply this nice holographic effect on the S-Works tarmac. The frame is ready for masking and I will go the easy way. I made some stencils with Adobe Illustrator, so I can cut as much stencils as I like and use them as often as I like. And the only thing I have to do is I use my sign maker and cut some of these stencils. The first shot on this frame will be a fast shot of black base coat to fill the areas in between the already existing black areas and the masking tape, and that's what I do now. The frame is in the oven for heat drying, and in the meantime we can mix the holographic color. And to do so I need some stuff, and what I need is a scale, some intercoat, some thinner, some cups, and also a sieve to mix the color. And the most important ingredient is the holographic powder. So let's start to mix the color, and when the black color on the frame is dry, we can do the holographic effect. At first I put some intercoat into my cup. And to make this intercoat sprayable, I need also some thinner. I have to mix these two components, and then I can add the holographic powder. I know you want to see a cool holographic effect on the spike frame, so I try to do my best to spray on the holographic color. And that is how the frame looks like after the first shot of clear coat. It looks metallic gray, but it isn't. Let's check some B-roll footage, and you can see that it sparkles like a rainbow in a lot of different colors, depending on the light that hits the frame. And the next step will be to sand this frame and the fork again to prepare it for the decals and the logos. And that's what I have to do now. I have to take a bucket of water, the wet sanding paper, and I have to sand it again. And it's every time the same. Rub the surface until it's flat, and then we can spray on some logos. It's time to spray some decals on the frame, and for the smaller ones I will use the airbrush. I have masked the fork and I will spray on a specialized logo in white. And that's what I do now. Simple and easy. Thin layers on both sides. It's kind of fading. I will fade the white into the mask. And I will apply 3 to 4 layers of the white, and after 3 to 5 minutes of curing, I can remove the masking.
From the beginning.
I have masked the down tube with the S-Works stencil, and as mentioned, I will change to the paint booth because the S-Works logo is too big to spray it with the airbrush, and I will do that with a paint gun. So I'm back in a minute. And I'm done. We have the visible carbon fiber, also the holographic color and the logos on this beauty, but what we don't have is a finish. And that's what I do now. I will start with a gloss clear coat, mask again, respray the flat areas, and I'm done. So let's change to the paint booth and let's give this frame its finish. And that's it. The S-Works is painted with the holographic color like Peter Sagan's bike, and now you know how it's done. And if you're interested in custom painting or DIY projects you can do at home, check also my other videos and my Insta and Facebook for some more projects. Thanks for watching and see you in one of my next videos. Goodbye.